we'll be talking about amalgamation, mergers and acquisitions, trusts, cartel, and so on. Now let's consider amalgamation. This exists when two or more independent firms combine to form a new one. Then merger. A merger is a legal consolidation of two or more entities who come together to combine their capital, their resources, their stocks and equity together to form a bigger company. Now, what is an acquisition? An acquisition can be defined as a situation whereby a company takes ownership of another company's entity, their stocks, their equity, and their assets. An acquisition also can be defined as a takeover or a purchase of one business by another business or other business entities. Now consider trust. What is a trust? A trust can be defined as an agreement whereby one party conveys its legal possessions and title of certain properties to another party, to a second party, which can be referred to as a trustee. While a trustee has the legal possessions of another company's assets and its title, such doesn't have a complete takeover of such company. What a trustee does is that he takes care of the well-being of the beneficiary, the party who entrusted his property and his entity into his hand. And now let's consider an holding company, holding companies and subsidiaries. An holding company can also be referred to as a parent company. It is described as one which has financial capabilities and uses such capability to acquire a greater portion of another company's capital. And then, having acquired such capital, it controls the share interest of such business. Now let's talk about subsidiaries. Subsidiaries are those firms that sold the greater part of their capital shares to the holding companies, which makes them to be subsidiaries of the holding or the parent company. Now, let's talk about consortium. Consortium is a group of independent firms that come together for the purpose of executing large and complex projects which a single firm cannot carry out on its own. Now to cartels. What is a cartel? A cartel can be defined as a group of independent producers of similar products who come together for the purpose of securing a good price for their product by controlling output. In our next video, we'll be treating past questions from SSC and UTME examinations.